Hi, welcome to AutoCAD Systems AutoCAD Essential Online Training. Alright, this topic is going to teach you how to use cancel, erase and undo your drawing by using AutoCAD. Before we begin this lesson, please download all the dataset files from the link at the description below, or you can just copy and search this link and then place them on the root of your drive. Now, this is the start screen of AutoCAD software. To start this lesson, click this open icon to open the existing file, which is the drawing arcs file that you have downloaded before this. We're going to use the same dataset as drawing arcs topic for this lesson. So let's just jump to our agenda, which is the first one is how to undo drawing. Alright, let's say we want to draw this door by using an arc. And then we notice that something is wrong with the drawing. So to undo the drawing, just click undo here. Or you can just type in U in the drawing area. And as now undo in the default option, just press enter to complete the command. Next, how to cancel drawing or command. Alright, for instance, I want to use the arc option of start center end for this door, but accidentally click the start center length. So to cancel the command, we can just press escape. Then you are free from any command. Alright, lastly, we are going to learn how to erase drawing or object. To erase object, you can just click the object and then just press delete button on the keyboard. Or for other option, we can also press right click on the mouse and choose erase on the pop-up menu after we select the object that we want to erase. Alright, now we already know how to undo, cancel and erase drawing from this lesson. To save this file, just click the application menu here and choose Save As. Enter the file name and save. Alright, thank you for joining this lesson and see you on the next video lesson.